You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Look carefully. Where's the blueberry? Where's the watermelon? Where's the papaya? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where's the apple? Where's the grapes? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.